In this video, I will show some ways to make money on YouTube without 1000 subscribers or 4000 watch hours. Now, the first way is doing affiliate marketing. And there are so many businesses with affiliate programs where you can make money by selling their products or services. And you just need to paste an affiliate link in your video description and earn a commission when people buy through the link. The second way is licensing your content to media companies or other interested parties, including your fellow YouTubers. And here, you allow the companies or the individuals to use your videos or shorts in exchange for money or other benefits. And your content should be of high quality and useful for people to be interested in paying to use it. Another way to make money on YouTube without 1000 subscribers or 4000 watch hours is selling your own products or services. And you can sell anything that you can offer, from physical products and digital products to giving advice and executing tasks. And you just need to direct your viewers through your videos or shorts to where they can buy or access the products or services. The next way is through sponsored content. And here, you can work with smaller brands to promote their products or services as an influencer and get paid by them. And you can just mention the brand, product, or service on your video, or create a whole video about the brand, product, or service. And there's also crowdfunding or fanfunding as another way to earn money on YouTube with less than 1000 subscribers or 4000 watch hours. And this involves asking your viewers through your videos or live stream for monetary support or donations. And you can also take your content to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.